My friend, where are you going? My friend, these delectable dyads are gonna be in the key of D major. Now, what does that mean? That simply means that every single note that we're gonna be playing is diatonically in the key of D major. D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, and then D again as the octave. When we play a scale, which has our first finger, second fret, skip a finger, skip a fret, and then go up above our D, half step to our 3 to 4 interval, whole step, remember, skip a finger, skip a fret, right above, skip a finger, skip a fret, and now a half step for resolution. Our major Ionian mode, Do for D major, E, when we're doing our array, is our E minor. You can play this in any way you can do your interval. Our F sharp minor is going to be our 3 chord, our minor 3. Our G major is the major 4th, major 5th, A major. When we have B minor is the relative minor of D major. And then our last chord, when we play like an A7 or a C sharp diminished, it resolves right back to our 1 chord, the D major. So for our delectable dyads for this, what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be playing just our 2 and our 3, which means you can play our E minor and our F sharp minor. These 2 chords, when we play these 2 notes together, we have an E and a G. That is a minor 3rd. The G to our E here, also, I'm sorry, that was a B to a G. That is going to also be a major 3rd right there. And then we're gonna have our minor 3rd right here from the E to G. So we can do 2 choices here. We're gonna pluck the top 2 strings, move it up and pluck, top 2 strings, move it right back and pluck the bottom, and then pluck the bottom. What we're doing is we're doing dyads from both the E minor and then moving it up for the F sharp minor. Now remember, you don't need to do the G in here. However, if you did do the F sharp, you could just put your finger right here on the G string at the 6th fret. This way, both of these are covered and we can play the top 2 strings, E and B, E and A, move it forward a whole step, E and A again. Now when we move it back, play the C and the E, and then when we move it forward another whole step, C and E. Try and do it slow in the beginning and slowly do an accelerando and maybe even get a little louder while you're doing it. Do a crescendo. It's not necessary to put the rhythm in between there.